Alright, so today me and Josh just went dove hunting and we killed a few, but this is just the first little bit. They're all up there, but we killed 20 and lost 5. And I'm gonna show you how to clean them up, and then we'll do a segment on cooking. So first, come up here. So first, you want to open up the wings, and we've done a few right here. And all you need to do is there's this little knob right here. That top knob, you just want to get down there, pull up the feathers, and then you can feel that bone right there. All you want to do is just move around the feathers till you get to the skin, like right there. And then you're just gonna, with your fingernail, just run along that piece of bone, grab both sides, and just cut open into it. It's about as easy as it gets for cleaning a bird. And then you'll know when you get down into it because you can see the red meat. So, like so. Just pull down and expose all the meat right there. Like this right here. Expose all that. And then you're just gonna take your knife, and there's that bone right there. You're just gonna get as close to that as possible. Go all the way down. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut all the way down until you feel the other bone. And then you're just gonna turn it over. And you're just gonna cut on both sides. Just right along that little fat piece. Way back in there. And we have to do that 40 times. So I guess let's do it. So this is what we end up with, a big old pile of meat and a whole bunch of mess. So we'll go up and get these cleaned off, get them seasoned up, and we'll put them on the trigger. Then what you want to do is you want to take all your meat, go wash it off, get all the feathers off and stuff, and then you want to get a medium-sized bowl and put 3 tablespoons of any choice of your salt, and then fill it up about halfway with water. Stir up the salt, that way it's not like you can't see it. Pour the meat in there and let that sit for about half hour. And then we're gonna get the Traeger turned on, get our spices picked out, and we'll show you how we do that. We got everything laid out. We got our dove. You just drain the salt water away, and then you get your bacon, and then you get your cheese. And then we're just gonna put them out on the Traeger, just right out there. Let it get up to temperature about 330, and then you're gonna cook them for about 35 minutes to a half hour. And then we'll eat them. But we're gonna show you the assembly process real quick. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your 2 pieces of dove, put them right in the center of the bacon, put a piece of cheese on both sides, a bell pepper if you want to, or 2, and then you're just gonna wrap it up, make it tight, hold this, like this right here. You're just gonna bring one end over, fold the other end underneath, like this right here. And there you go, and we're just gonna set that on like that, and we're gonna do that to all these. So let's do that real quick. Up to temp. It's almost there, but it's fine. And then we got this is about half. What we're gonna do is just take one, move it across. I'm really excited to eat these. These are really tasty, really good. So. Oh yeah, toothpicks are probably important to keep together. Alrighty, so here's not the finished product, but almost there. And we're gonna let that cook for about 35 minutes, so let's get that going. Timer just went off, they're done. Let's check them out. Oh man, those are good. Oh my gosh, those are so good. I'm so ready. I'm so excited, dude. Okay, here, hold the plate.
Just get one of each.
Oh, go pick them all.
Just get one of each one.
Why don't we just get them all? Let's get them all.
Okay.
Because they're done.
Oh, yeah.
The cheese didn't melt, so that's good. I thought it was going to melt all over the place.
Looking good. Ow.
Don't touch the metal. So that right there is our finished product. Boom. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a good one.
Talk to you in the next one.